In this video, I want to talk to you guys about Paysafe. This is the payments platform similar to like Square, PayPal, very similar company, very similar business model. Last May, they fell quite a bit, over 18% after they reported earnings. Now, they just reported earnings again today and fell an additional 15.5% during normal trading hours. So I want to talk to you about what's going on with Paysafe, what I think might happen in the near term and in the long term. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. Welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I post here at least twice a day, so if you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. And if you find any value in this video at all or learn something new, hit that like button for me. We're going to talk about Paysafe today. Paysafe went public via a massive SPAC merger last fall. This is a huge SPAC. I think it was like a $9 billion deal at the time. Now, Paysafe is a payments platform very similar to Square, PayPal, different companies like that. They do iGaming. They do a lot of the back-end services for a lot of big games like Roblox and Epic Games, Fortnite, things like that. They process a lot of payments for people, and they do a lot with the gambling industry as well, which is growing, especially here in the United States and around the world. So we're going to talk about Paysafe, their earnings, what they reported, why the stock is falling so hard today. They also announced an acquisition, so we're going to talk about that too. I think that is the main reason the stock is falling so much, but the stock did report similar numbers back in May, and it fell even further than it did today. So I want to jump over to tipranks.com. I want to talk about the acquisition first. Then we're going to dive into the earnings because the earnings weren't really that bad. They didn't increase or decrease guidance for the full year. They actually met revenue expectations. They're more profitable than they were last quarter, last year. They increased their revenue by 13%. So we're going to dig into the numbers, but I think this here is the main reason that the stock is falling so much today, because this is a big acquisition. It's an all-cash deal, and I think when that sort of thing happens, stocks usually tend to go down. So Paysafe is acquiring a company called SafetyPay for $441 million in cash. So this is a big all-cash deal. The transaction is expected to close in the fourth quarter of 2021. Paysafe is poised to benefit from SafetyPay's relationship with banks in Latin America. So this is a big acquisition for them because Latin America isn't a stronghold for Paysafe now. Now, Paysafe is a massive company in Europe. It's becoming a bigger company in the United States as well, and they're trying to expand to other parts of the world to increase their revenue and their business abroad, okay? SafetyPay provides payments platform that allows e-commerce transactions through alternative payment methods. The company operates primarily in Latin America. As per the terms of the deal, SafetyPay team will join Paysafe's expanding eCash and online banking solutions team. The enlarged Paysafe eCash business will be able to offer eCash and open banking solutions in more than 60 countries with over 1 million distribution points. Here's a statement from the CEO of Paysafe regarding this acquisition. He says, furthermore, by combining the capabilities and open banking network of both SafetyPay and Pago Efectivo with our existing solutions in processing, digital wallets, and eCash, along with our deep expertise in specialized verticals such as iGaming, travel, and digital goods, we can become the true market leader in the region and provide merchants with unique and powerful combinations to grow their business. Now, let's talk about the earnings report real quick, and then at the end of this video, we're going to talk about what the analysts think about Paysafe because all the ratings are buys. This is a strong buy stock, and I'll talk about the upside here in a minute as well. We're going to pull this up. The second quarter 2021 earnings, total payment volume was up by 41%. Revenue was up by 13%. Net income attributable to the company, $6.6 million compared to a net loss of $15.9 million for the same quarter last year. Adjusted EBITDA of $118.8 million increased by 8%. And they reaffirmed their 2021 full year outlook. So They didn't decrease outlooks, anything like that. They reaffirmed their outlook of 1.55 billion in total revenue over the course of the year. So this is I think it's a good thing. I think the stock is down because of this massive acquisition of SafetyPay, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I want to hear your opinion because I really like Paysafe. I think on a multiple standpoint, it actually is a pretty good value, especially trading under $9 per share. This is a highly attractive stock at this price right now, and the analysts agree with that. We have 6 ratings, 6 buys from all good analysts, 83% upside over the next 12 months for Paysafe. And really all it has to do is get back to those February levels to get that 83% upside there. Because at one point this was, I think, well over a $20 stock. So we have forecasts anywhere from $15 to $17. So they're all pretty high for Paysafe. So guys, let me know what you think about Paysafe. Ticker symbol PSFE. Down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Do you like this opportunity or not? I think it is a really, really good opportunity, and I think it's relatively undervalued for the profit that they bring in, the EBITDA, all the fundamentals. I think it's actually a pretty good valuation right now, and I think it's actually a little bit undervalued overall compared to the rest of the market. But I would love to hear your opinion. I'm going to talk about in the After the Bell segment today as well. We're going to talk about Roblox. And Roblox is a 40-some billion-dollar company versus what, a $7 billion company, less than that here for Paysafe, and they have maybe a third of the revenue. So something to keep in mind. I think Paysafe is a really good opportunity. Obviously, my opinion. Guys, I will see you in the next one.